When you make your videos in a certain way, not only can you reach more people with them, but those people will watch more of the video as well. In this, I'm going to show you 6 ways to achieve that. Let's get into social media video best practices. Here we go. Hello, busy people. Welcome to 5-Minute Social Media, where we help business owners attract more paying clients using the world's simplest social media strategies. So if you want to get simple results, we put out a new helpful video to help grow your business faster every single week. Want that? Click subscribe, click that bell, so you'll be notified when it happens. My name is Jerry Potter, and in this video, we're covering social media video best practices. By the end of this training, you'll be equipped with 6 ways to get your videos in front of more people on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and more. By the way, the things that I'm sharing in this video do not apply directly to YouTube, and the reason for that will become apparent as we go through them. All right, first, unless you have a really good reason not to, upload your video file directly to Facebook or Instagram or whatever platform you want it to be on. All of the social networks favor videos in the feed that are on that platform. You don't want to link to a video somewhere else because Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, they don't like it when you send people off the platform. Used to be years ago, YouTube videos would go viral on Facebook all the time. But as soon as Facebook allowed us to start uploading videos directly, they changed the algorithm pretty much that YouTube videos get little to no reach, which is a pain for a YouTube creator like me, but that is the reality that Facebook has given us. Next, let's talk about what shape your videos should be, and the best performing overall shape is going to be square videos across the social media networks. So widescreen videos like this here on YouTube, this is where they belong. But on Facebook and LinkedIn, all of the videos perform better when they're square because they take up more space in the feed as somebody is scrolling. That gets their attention more. And of course, most people are viewing social media on a mobile device versus on a computer. Next, when you create a video, you have about 2 seconds, maybe less, to get someone's attention. Think about when somebody sits down to watch Netflix, or even here on YouTube, they're sitting down to watch videos. But when somebody is scrolling through their social media feed, they're there to get caught up with their circle of friends and family and maybe be entertained for a few seconds here and there. They didn't sit down to even watch a 2 or 3 minute video. So not only does your video have to be good enough to hold their attention, but it's got to be so good that they don't even worry about what's after that in the feed. Because remember, as soon as they get bored of your content, whoop, there's another piece of content right after that. So you have about 2 seconds, maybe less, to grab their attention. A few other things you can do to attract attention in your social media videos. Start with the end. Now, cooking videos do this really well. They'll show the final product, a delicious looking dish, and then they'll cut to the table of ingredients. And what we do in our brains is we go, oh, wait, how did I have all that in my pantry? How'd they turn that into that? And of course, they play in high speed, and it's very stimulating for us, right? So that's a great way to do it. Start with the end, and then show how you got there, if that applies to whatever you're showing on your video. Another thing to do, have some text on your video right there at the beginning to help grab their attention. And create videos that don't require sound, if you can. Did you know that 85% of videos viewed on Facebook are viewed with the sound off, with it on mute? 85%. And I bet if we had numbers for LinkedIn and Instagram, it would be pretty much the same. So if you have a video that requires sound, at a minimum, add captions. I've got a video showing you how I do it in my business with my favorite tool, and it's linked up down in the description of this video if you want to check that out next. Now, no matter what, video takes a lot of time, doesn't it? But you want to make it good. But there are other ways you can save time. In fact, I've got this 6 ways to cut your social media workload in half. It's free. Click the link on the screen or down in the description of this video and grab it now. Thank you so much for watching 5-Minute Social Media, supporting me and my 2 tiny superheroes at home.